have already learned what are verbs. Verbs are the action words or the doing words. We also know that it is not possible to create a sentence without a verb. But there are certain sentences which have no action words, like this is a screen. Now, in this sentence, there is no action word because there is no action. Such sentences use a be verb to express the state of being of a subject. What do we mean by state of being? State of being means that something is there or something exists. That is indicated using be verb. So this is a screen. In this sentence, is a be verb which tells us about the existence or the state of being of the screen. A be verb also shows grammatical person, that is, it changes according to first, second or third person. Time period, so be verb varies depending on whether we are talking about past or present. And number, so be verb depends on whether the subject is singular or plural. Right now we would be talking about the third person. So we will be learning about the use of be verbs for the third person, which is not the person who is speaking and not the person spoken to. It is someone else. So the third person. New Delhi dash the capital of India. So now over here we are talking about New Delhi. New Delhi means we are talking about a single city. So it is singular. And we are talking about present because the capital of India at present is New Delhi. So we are talking about present. So what is the be verb used here? The be verb used is. New Delhi is the capital of India. So the be verb used for third person, singular present is, is. So it tells us about the state of being or existence. New Delhi is the capital of India. Calcutta dash the capital of India till 1911. So we are talking about Calcutta, which is a single city. So we are talking about singular. But we are talking about something till 1911. That is past tense. So we are talking about past, singular. What is the be verb used? The be verb used is was. Calcutta was the capital of India till 1911. So for past, I use was. Is, was. So New Delhi is the capital of India. Calcutta was the capital of India. So for singular number, third person, the be verb used for present is. Be verb used for past, was. Is, was. New Delhi and Mumbai dash important cities. Now over here, we are talking about two cities, New Delhi and Mumbai. So it is plural. And we are talking about present because important cities, these cities still exist and they are still important. So we are talking about plural and present. The be verb used is are. New Delhi and Mumbai are important cities. So I use are for plural and present. So for present, for singular, I use is. New Delhi is an important city. For plural, I use are. Kolkata and Mumbai are important cities. So for present, is for singular, are for plural. Is, are. Troy and Carthage dash important cities. Now, Troy and Carthage were the important cities of Roman civilization. So, these cities existed in the past. They don't exist anymore. So, we are talking about past. And because we are talking about two cities, it is plural. What is the be verb used? I use were. So the be verb I use for plural past is where. Troy and Carthage were important cities. So these are the be verbs used for third person. So for singular present, I use is. So he is, she is, or it is. For singular past, I use was. So again, he was, she was, it was. For plural present, I use are. They are. And for plural past, I use were. They were. So is, are, was, were, depending upon the tense and the number of the subject. New Delhi is the capital of India. Singular, present. Kolkata and Mumbai are important cities. Plural, present. Calcutta was the capital of India till 1911. Past, singular. Troy and Carthage were important cities. Past, plural. So now can you answer this? Sourav Ganguly dashed the captain of the Indian cricket team. Over here, we are talking about Sourav Ganguly. That is just one person. And the captain of the Indian cricket team. We know that Sourav Ganguly was the captain of Indian cricket team in past. He is not the present captain. So what is the be verb used for third person? Past tense singular? Was. So Sourav Ganguly was the captain of Indian cricket team. They dash beautiful. Will it be is or are? So look at the word they. It means that it is plural. Now for plural, I use are. Is used for singular. So for plural, the be verb used is are. Are is used for present tense, plural. They are beautiful. So these are the 4 be verbs used for third person. These are the 4 be verbs used for third person. For singular present, I use is. For singular past, I use was. For plural present, I use are. And for plural past, I use were. So, these are the 4 be verbs used for third person, and they are used as main verbs here. That is, they tell us about the state of being or existence, and there is no other verb in the sentence apart from these. So do remember this table so that you can use the be verbs correctly. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.